When passion meets purpose, you get Marvelcart, a place for all the tech magic at JECRC. We are the official coding community of JECRC, a place for all those who love to code, communicate and explore new ideas. And yes, occasionally we get stuck on bugs too. Marvelcart is where students come to connect, create and grow. From our flagship Clash of Coders with more than 700 participants to hands-on workshops, technical hackathons, we have a plethora of events. With industrial visits, mentorship sessions and peer-to-peer learning, Marvelcart is where real skills meet real support. We grow together, support each other, not just as capable coders but also as capable individuals. It's not just about writing code, it's about leading teams, hosting sessions and building real-world skills. And at the heart of it all, a very close, slightly nerdy but always supportive community. This is Marvelcart for you. It's more than just a coding club. It's where we find meaning in every line of code.